Today we will learn how to print a PowerPoint presentation along with its slide notes in a clear and organized manner. Begin by launching the PowerPoint application on your computer. It is important that the program is fully open and ready for use before proceeding, so take a moment to wait until all elements of the interface have loaded correctly. Once PowerPoint is running, locate and open the presentation you wish to print. Whether you are presenting in a meeting or sharing your work with colleagues, make sure to double check that this is the correct file. This will ensure that the content, including any notes you have attached to your slides, is exactly what you want printed. With your presentation now opened on the screen, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window where the File menu is located. Clicking on File will present you with a range of options, including the possibility to save, export, or print your work. In this case, we will be focusing on the print option, which is essential for producing a physical copy of your slides along with all the notes that accompany them. After selecting File, navigate to the Printing section. This is where you will make adjustments to printing preferences and outputs. It is helpful to quickly scan the available printing options to ensure that everything meets your expectations. Customizing printer settings from this menu can often save you time and reduce errors later in the process. Within the printing options, you will notice several drop-down menus designed to allow you to choose specific details such as the printer itself, the number of copies, and various layout choices. Look for the drop-down that is positioned third from the bottom in the list of available options. Understanding the order of these menus is crucial, so focus on ensuring you are selecting the correct drop-down to proceed without any confusion. Once you have found the appropriate drop-down menu, click on it to reveal a list of layout options. From this list, choose the layout labeled Notes Pages. Selecting Notes Pages will ensure that when you print your presentation, each slide is printed along with the corresponding notes that have been added. This feature is particularly useful if you have detailed information or instructions attached to each slide which you need to share with your audience or refer to during your presentation. After confirming that Notes Pages has been selected, close the drop-down menu and review your printing setup one final time. Ensure that all settings appear as you expect and that you have chosen the correct printer if multiple devices are available. When you are ready, click on the print command to begin the printing process. By following these instructions, you now have a physical copy of your PowerPoint presentation with each slide accompanied by its notes. This method is particularly beneficial for educators, business professionals, and anyone who might require the additional context that notes provide. Take pride in knowing that your printed materials will serve as a valuable resource for future presentations and discussions. Enjoy the benefits of well-organized printed slides and notes that help you communicate your ideas effectively.